The Boeing 727 is a narrow-body trijet airliner. It was one of Boeing's most successful aeroplanes ever. It was produced from 1963 to 1984. It borrowed a lot of design cues and a cockpit from the Boeing 707. The Boeing 727 had an ability to operate from remote locations and from shorter runways. The Boeing 727 made its first flight on 9 February 1963, and the first customer for the 727 was Eastern Airlines, whom the 727 was handed in the year 1964, 1st February. Boeing enjoyed great success with the 727. It was the best-selling jetliner in the world, which was later taken over by the 737. The Boeing 727 was produced for 21 years and was a complete success story. 1832 Boeing 727s have been built, whereas 1831 727s have been delivered. Boeing had held one back for themselves. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.